It was a hot, steamy, sunny day, but some clouds moving in over the skyline, as you can see, and they may not be just fluffy and pretty. Meteorologist Mary Kay Kleist is tracking some storms in the forecast. We're going to have a pretty active weather week, are we not?
Right. We're setting up to that, and we're adding to that Gordon. Tropical Storm Gordon is going to play a big part in our weather pattern, but today it's obvious which side of the jet stream we are on. We have hot air soaring all the way to Chicago today. In fact, we had 92 degrees at O'Hare. The record not too far from that, 95, set back in 1983. So we hit the 90s again. Would you know we've done that 23 times so far this year? On average, we usually do that about 16 to 17 times. So a hotter than normal summer for us. Look at these. Feels like temperatures 100 degrees in Ottawa. Feels like 96 in Joliet, 95 in Gary. Feels like 90 degrees in McHenry. And as we look at actual temperatures, there's not much in the way of lakefront cooling because of the winds out of the southwest. 88 at the lakefront, 92 degrees in Joliet for the actual temperature, 93 in Ottawa, and we have 92 in Kankakee. We mentioned the chance of a few spotty showers around, maybe a rumble of thunder, very, very widely scattered activity. Nothing like yesterday, and this will all die down as the sun goes down. 91 degrees currently at O'Hare, south winds at 11 miles per hour. So our weather watchers found this hot, steamy day for us, too. In fact, temperatures are still in the 90s, and Burbank Rob has 92 for the current reading, giving us a look at his sky. Beautiful blue sky out there. We call these cumulus clouds, those puffy cotton ball looking ones. Beautiful shot there. And we're all the way up to 95 degrees when we check in with Paul. He's in Salmonock and he has a mostly sunny sky, but he said the dew point temperature is 75. That feels tropical. And the heat index 105 degrees. So super steamy for Paul. Well, it looks like as we go through time here, we are going to be changing our weather pattern. We have the flood advisory that's still in effect until 1 a.m., but we do have a lot of rain to the west of us. The tornado watch setting up here for parts of Iowa. They had an active day yesterday all over again. They have a flash flood warning here, but it's a tornado watch until 10 o'clock, a flash flood watch for the Quad Cities. There's a lot of active weather to the west. It's tying in with a very healthy Tropical Storm Gordon. Winds are at 70. They only need to be at 74 for Gordon to be a hurricane. Moving northwest at 15, we're glad to see the faster forward speed. Then it doesn't linger around and flood as much, but still, this is going to be an issue here for the Gulf Coast tonight as it makes landfall. Hurricane warnings are up. Tropical storm warnings are up. The focus perhaps from Panama City to New Orleans, with the height of that perhaps into Mobile here. And all of that water will be moving into Hattiesburg and continuing to the north. Interesting to note the track with this. Look what happens. Gordon's remnants slow down and linger in central Illinois for the weekend. That's why our weekend is expected to be quite wet. We call this a tropical connection. We have the front to the west of us. We have the tropical system making landfall. The two come together and the Gulf of Mexico just opens up, bringing all of that moisture increasing and lingering. And also the counterclockwise turn on this tropical system is going to put the brakes on this front. So it can't pass through and clear out. It's going to be stuck across Chicago as we go through the next several days. So rain chances really increase for us. And by Thursday into Friday, we could see an inch, maybe 2 inches of rain as these slow-moving showers and storms really soak the region for us. So there's the front now. We have the humid, hot air in place, so it's only an isolated chance tonight till the sun goes down, then things quiet down. It's this batch of rain I'm waiting for tomorrow afternoon. So I do think as you go through the night, the evening showers taper off. We're actually muggy and mild, 74 degrees for the low temperature. During the day tomorrow, afternoon storms. Right around lunchtime, we're going to watch to the west and see the winds out of the southwest get gusty. Rain chances increase. Some localized flooding may be an issue. So this all starts, Rob, for us tomorrow afternoon. Here's that unsettled weather, all thanks to Gordon. And look at these daytime highs, lower 70s. So we're going to have a big swing in the temperature here coming up for the weekend.
Boy, that looks like something. All right, Mary Kay, thanks.